go. Onions and garlic around here. There's our grapevine. Walking up, here we have our ginger, some mint, and there's a pretty little, does anybody know what that is? That's bee balm, wild, did not plant it. Going over, here is our garlic. Some amazing stalks. I'll zoom in here so you can see that. Here we go. No clove, or oh yeah, the thing on top, I forget, but none of that yet. Okay, then our onions, let me zoom out a little bit here. Regular onions are right along there. No success yet. I don't think. We might have one or two. Then our walking onions are right along here. Thank you to my dear local friend here. I think they adapted beautifully. Here we have strawberries. You can see starting to pop up there. Our cat grass is out of control. Some mint around my stump here. And then here's some more onions. And looky here, Jerusalem artichokes already popping up, ladies. Gentlemen. Here's my chocolate mint. A couple of more strawberries. And out there is my strawberries hanging. Then, of course, the berry patch. And then my junk pile I'm working on.